If you feel tired, you have chronic fatigue, you have bloated, you maybe have diarrhea and similar kind of digestive issues for the probably long period of time, most common cause is going to be parasites in your body. In today's video, I'm going to help you a lot with one of the best natural remedies that can help you remove parasites from your body in the safe and natural way. What if I told you that you have intestinal parasites? Yes, parasites are just third world issues. Many people are involved in developed countries carry them without even knowing it. Today we dive into one of the most powerful traditional remedies for parasites, wormwood tea. In this video I'll show you what worm tea is, how prepare it as a tea, how it works against parasites, dosage and safety tips, and how to combine with other natural ingredients to even better results. My dear viewers, I'm going to help you a lot with those information that help a lot of my patients. I believe it will help you a lot. Now let's dive in today's topic. What is wormwood? Wormwood or Artemisia absinthium is bitter herb used for centuries in traditional medicine. It's called wormwood for the reason it was historically used to expel worms and parasites from the gut. It contains powerful compounds like tujon and sesquiterpene lactones that paralyze parasites, disrupts their life cycle, help flush them out of the digestive system. It's also antimicrobial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. This is all well known hundreds of years before 2025, my dear viewers. And this is why it's one of the best ways to remove parasites from your body. How to make wormwood tea? Worm is very potent, so it must be prepared carefully. Here's a safe way to make wormwood tea at home. Ingredients: 1/2 tablespoon of dry wormwood. You can buy this online or from your health store. 1 cup of hot but not boiling water. Optional: a bit of honey, mint or lemon to improve the bitter taste. Instruction: place a dry wormwood into a strainer or infuser. Pour hot water about 90 Celsius or 194 Fahrenheit over it. Steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, not longer. Strain and sip slowly. Drink once a day, ideally for empty stomach in the morning up to 7 to 10 days. This is crucially important. You don't need boiling water, but water must be in high temperature, and you just stir it for the 5 to 10 minutes. My recommendation is going to be for you, for most people, drink it early in the morning, add a little bit of lemon, a little bit of honey. Perfect. 1 cup in the morning, 7 to 10 days. That is going to be perfect, and I believe in those periods you will remove a lot of parasites. Some people, maybe all of parasites from their body. How fights parasites? Wormwood works in multiple ways. It numbs and paralyzes parasites, making it easier for your body to eliminate them. It increases bile flow and digestive activity, which creates an environment that parasites hate. It helps to kill parasite eggs, preventing reinfection. That's why it's often used in natural parasite cleanse protocol, especially when combined with the clove and the black walnut. Those 3 herbs are known as anti-parasite. Three probably the best anti-parasite natural remedy is going to be wormwood, it's going to be black walnut, it's going to be clove. If you have any kind of solution, or maybe you can buy teas, tinctures, capsules, all of them, I really can help you a lot with your parasites. Dosage and duration: for most adults, drink 1 cup daily for 7 to 10 days, then break it for at least 1 week. You can repeat this cycle once a month if needed. Avoid long-term use unless supervised by the healthcare provider. If you're using wormwood in tincture or the capsules form, always follow the manufacturer dosage guideline. And a couple more information about safety and the side effects. Wormwood is powerful, but it's not for everyone. Safe when used in moderation. Avoid if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. If you have epilepsy or seizure, you have liver or kidney issues, you're taking certain medications, always check with your doctor. The side effects can be nausea, dizziness, restlessness, possible liver irritation in the high noses, and this is going to be unbelievably important. Of course, for most people, wormwood is going to be perfect, but not for everyone. As always, that's why you need a good quality medical healthcare provider that can help you a lot. I'm going to give you just two more information. As I said before, wormwood tea is going to be perfect, clove is going to be perfect. Also, the black walnut is going to be perfect, but also I'm going to recommend you two more perfect ingredients. It's going to be garlic. Garlic is perfect for anti-parasite cleanse, and my fifth recommendation is going to be probiotics. Probiotics are perfect for removing parasites from your body. To maximize the parasite cleaning effect, wormwood is often paired with clove that kills parasite eggs. Black walnut hull works on adult parasites. Garlic is natural anti-parasitic and immune booster. And probiotics help restore healthy gut flora after cleansing. These can be taken in the tea or tinctures form, but space them thoroughly to the day to avoid overwhelming your system. While taking the wormwood tea, support your body by drinking lots of water. Eating fiber-rich foods like chia seeds, leafy greens. Avoid sugar, dairy, and processed carbs. Getting good night's sleep to support your immune function. And moving your body, even light exercise, help with your detox. You may feel a little bit off the first few days. That's called diarrhea reaction. A sign that parasites are being eliminated, and this is unbelievably important. Wormwood is time-tested natural remedies against parasites, and this is going to be also important. But before you go, my dear viewers, I'm going to give you information about my new video. You can find it in this little video, little window right here. It's going to be first symptoms that you have parasites in your body. When if you have those kind of symptoms, you can use this kind of natural remedies. I believe it's going to help you a lot. God bless you, my dear viewers. God bless your family. See you in the next video. Bye.